Sweat is just a fact of life.
But toxic deodorants are not the only way to deal with it.
Traditional deodorants use aluminum as an antiperspirant. If you choose to use deodorant, we definitely recommend choosing an aluminum-free formula. But in a pinch, you can also repurpose some of your favorite cocokind products to keep your pits feeling fresh. This is our calming powder. Pat a little powder under your arms to absorb excess sweat and moisture. It will soothe the skin, prevent chafing, and reduce the likelihood of visible sweat stains. Another great option is our raspberry vinegar toner. This toner was specifically formulated for oily or acne-prone skin because it helps purify your pores. And that goes for the skin in your armpits too. A few spritzes of this bad boy on a cotton pad will help get rid of excess sweat, oil, and bacteria. Did you know that body odor is caused by the interaction of sweat and bacteria? Bacteria can break down proteins in your sweat, transforming them into acids and causing the dreaded BO. Using a little raspberry vinegar toner under your arms can help eliminate bacteria and keep your pits feeling fresher for longer.